You guys, I am in an insurance nightmare, okay? So I own my own business, which means I have to buy my own health insurance, which sucks. If you go through healthcare.gov, all the plans are like super expensive. You can only buy them during open enrollment. So I have gotten private plans, and they have really high deductibles. And then even after you hit the deductible, they don't cover that much. And so I had US Health for a while, and last year all three of us hit our deductibles and we still had to pay a bunch out of pocket even after that. It was just a weird year. So I was approached by an insurance broker, I guess, offering to switch plans. And he made this plan sound so good. Oh yeah, your old plan sucks. Switch to this plan. It's so much better, blah, blah, blah. Now, I agree, it's on me for not asking more questions, reading every line of the contract and asking more questions, but we signed up for that plan starting January 1st. And what do you know? In March, Jesse has an emergency. He can't breathe. They can't get it under control at the emergency department. They helicoptered him to Children's National. He spends a couple nights in the ICU there. And I'm thinking, oh, we have insurance. Like, it's okay. No problem. So fast forward, let's see, that happened in March. Fast forward to August. I get a notification in the mail saying, hey, by the way, your insurance is not covering any of this because we're considering asthma a pre-existing condition, and pre-existing conditions are not covered on your plan. So I have all these hospital visits. I have doctor's office follow-up. I have a helicopter ride and a couple nights stay in a ICU, a pediatric ICU. And so I'm like, oh, the bills are going to be like 6 figures. How do you do that? How does an average person pay that? So luckily, I know some awesome people. I'm meeting with actually 2 lawyers to get opinions on what I can do for this. But I just called the doctor's office because his pediatric doctor's office was like, hey, we haven't received payments for these 4 visits. Your balance is $1,200. Insurance is not getting back to us. If they don't pay, it's on you. So I call them and I'm like, I explain my situation. I'm like, look, I'm going through a nightmare. How much can we negotiate this? Can we drop it down if I just self-pay? She's like, oh yeah, we offer a self-pay discount. We can get you down to $225, down from $1,200. How, like, it would be cheaper for me just self-pay for everything. Like, what is going on? I just have one final thought. When you're signing up for insurance and it says, oh, pre-existing conditions are not covered, you need to agree on what those conditions are with your insurance company before you sign up. And I can't even believe this isn't a thing. If my insurance company had said, oh, by the way, anything relating to breathing issues or asthma, we're not covering, do you think I would have signed up for the plan?